In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the musical spoons. But firstly, the parts. This set is made from wood and you can get metal ones. The main difference in sound between both of them is that wood will provide a bright, warm sound, whereas metal can provide sometimes a harsh, tinny sound. This part here is the handle, and this part, the bottom of the spoon, is the part that makes the clacking tone. This part is the cup or the bowl of the spoon, and it's what amplifies the sound. Now we're going to look at how to hold the spoons. We're going to get our palm and we're going to push this part here against our palm and wrap our thumb round, wrap our fingers round, and then this part, I like to just use one finger. You can use one finger. Some people prefer two. I think it's more comfortable for me with one finger. You do what's comfortable for you, as long as you can have a comfortable grip on the instrument, it's all good. Now, when I first started playing the spoons, I automatically went and thought it was like this. Whilst that's technically correct, because music is a form of expression, there's no right or wrong way to really play any musical instrument, but there is a way that's okay and a better way. So the first sound we're going to make is with our leg, like this. And then the next sound we're going to do is this sound, where we're going to tap it on our hand. And if we put it together, it sounds like this. And then another sound we can make is if we turn our hand round, we can tap it on our hand. So we've got so far. Now we can experiment with the order of this. We could treat the downward motion as a bass drum, like with a drum kit, and then the upward motion we could treat as a snare. Or we could do it in reverse. This could be the bass drum and this could be the snare. The next sound we're going to learn, what we're going to do is we're going to place our other hand out. We want it slightly curved and we want to spread our fingers out and keep them quite firm. We don't want them to move around whilst we're playing. And in slow motion, what we're going to do is we're going to rub the spoons down our hand like this. But when you do it fast, it has a better sound. I actually love that sound. If we put this together, it sounds like this. It just has a nice kind of groove to it. Different spoons will produce a slightly different sound. This set of spoons is smaller, but the spoon's edge, this one's actually more pointed, which actually makes it easier to do this motion. But let's see how they sound side by side. Yeah, that's so different. That's got more of a clacking, sort of warm, lower end tone, and this one's definitely got a higher tone. I like both. I wouldn't actually say that I prefer one to the other. They've both got a nice sound, and it's nice to feel the difference. In terms of comfort, this one's definitely more compact. It fits quite snugly in my hand. I kind of prefer the material of this one. It just feels like it's better made. Anyway, if you want to take your learning further, I highly recommend checking out our book, The Complete Spoons Player. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon with another video.